immediately. Today, I am going to find Mitsuki. And Mitsuki usually is over here because there's a lot of things to pollinate. But I wonder if she'll show up if I call her name. So, Mitsuki! Do bees even have ears? No, that's a real question. Do bees have ears? Well, even if you don't see Mitsuki, this is what the outside of my house looks like, so. Because we have a deck. You know. Birds. That's a gray catbird. And a bird bath. And then there's a brown-headed cowbird. And a black-headed chickadee. What are they called? No, black-throated? I don't remember. They're just... The chickadee that's the state bird of Massachusetts is there. While I wait for Mitsuki, catbird, that catbird right there. Let me zoom in. Noom. Catbirds are like mockingbirds. I am shaking. Catbirds are like mockingbirds. Catbirds can mimic and all that other stuff. They can also do that. Look at that. Look at that. Catbirds are great. Brown-headed cowbirds are... I just heard Mitsuki, but Mitsuki was not. She was to my left. No, my right. Brown-headed cowbirds are parasitic. They lay their eggs in other birds' nests, and then their chicks, when they hatch, they get knocked out of it left. When their chicks hatch, basically what happens is they take up all the space, and then all the other birds either get underfed and so they die, or knocked out of the nest directly. Wait, was that Mitsuki? Mitsuki! Mitsuki! There's like 18 different birds in that tree right now, just saying. I know there's a blue jay around, which is probably what's ruffling around, or maybe it's that cowbird again, because the cowbird was just in the bath. There's this kind of bird, which is also a great catbird. His name is Smokey. Say hi, Smokey. He's very nice. Yes. What are you doing? You are not even normally close to being this affectionate. Now he's purring. There's a robin I'm supposed to fight around here, and I can't find it anymore. What is Smokey doing? Smokey's never like this. Smokey is literally never like this. Wait, you wanna... No, your claws are too sharp. You need a trim. Mitsuki! He's still doing it. What? Okay, now you're just acting like Nyan 10. Look at that. What is he doing? I've never seen him act like this before. A cardinal just passed by and... Yes! What is that? What is that? It looks like a downy woodpecker, but a downy woodpecker's head isn't that red. So maybe it's a juvenile, but I'm not sure. What is it? What is it doing? Focus. If I get enough footage of it, maybe I'll be able to submit it to some bird forum and like be like, what kind of bird is this? But honest to God, what kind of bird is that? That's not a downy woodpecker. Or it can't really be, is it? I don't know. Oh my gosh! It's a rose-breasted grosbeak! I have never seen one of these in real life. They're so pretty. I love these. I want to be one of them. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's such a pretty bird. No, you guys don't understand. I love these birds. And then back over there is a white-breasted nuthatch. But I'm more interested in the grosbeak because we hardly ever have grosbeaks. I'm not kidding. I've lived here for like 15 some years and we've just never had these. How much more footage of this thing can I get? I don't know what it's eating. What is in this tree? Aww, it's so pretty. Grosbeaks, as you can probably tell by their beaks, are very closely related to like northern cardinals and whatnot. So and that is our friendly Toronto representative. See, I can hear Mitski around, but Mitski is not doing anything. And I hate to say it, but this rose-breasted grosbeak that we hardly ever get around here, even though they're supposed to be common birds. Wow, what the fuck? They just chased each other away. That's not cool. Mulkey. Mulkey. Have some manners. It's my foot. Oh, she's back. You can hear a mourning dove. Actually, a mourning dove perched like right up there, and I was standing like right there. And I was staring right at it, and it was staring right back at me, and I was just kind of like, hey. And that was maybe like 10 minutes ago. Birds are weird. Speaking of 10 minutes, it is almost 10 minutes, and I don't know, let's continue searching for Mitski. Maybe she'll show up. Mitski! Mitski! There she is! That's Mitski. Mitski! Hey! Go to where I can see you. Come on. Mitski's a bumblebee. Mitski protects our... Stay still. You're always fighting with like every other bee, which is why there's no wasps around anymore. But that's Mitski. Mitsuki. Mitsuki hangs around me a lot. See, it's birds and bee, singular. Mitsuki's the only one around here because she fought everybody out. It's a female bee because only female bees come out around this time of year. She's actually being pretty cooperative right now. Usually I only get to talk to her like she kind of hovers around my head or something. Mitsuki, come back. Not you, Moki. Your name has an O noise. Mitsuki has an E noise. Is that Mitsuki over there? No! Ah! She snuck up on me. She snuck up on me. She scared me. Mitsuki! Okay. A wasp just climbed up into here, which is pretty concerning. Oh, there was a bug on my neck. There's a giant fly. Is that a horse fly? Get out of here. Go fight Mitsuki. Mitsuki, go get him. She's trying. She actually did go fight. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know what? Hold on. I missed. I tried to hit him. I have a fly swatter. Mitsuki. This is why you need bees. This is why you need bee friends like Mitsuki. Where'd you go? Mitsuki. I can't keep track of her. She doesn't stay still long enough. Well, obviously because she's a bee, but the reason I know she's a girl bee is because girl bees come out during this time of year. Guy bees, they come out like late August. Mitsuki. Hey. Hey. Mitsuki. Maybe she's camera shy. Well, anyways, I've got 13 minutes on here, and I think that's enough. So, let me try finding my cat, and I'll give... Hold on, what's that bird? What is that? What is that? Is that the cat bird? What was that? Well, when I look over the footage later, I guess we'll find out. Monkey. Bug's crawling on me now. Monkey. Alright, I guess that's it.